Hi, my name is Ty from Terraform Industries and we're at Shady Lane. Basically, when I bought the house, I knew that I was only going to be using this structure. I like the shape of the house. It's a box. It's basic, very open structure. So the inside can be arranged any way I want it to. The surprises we kind of ran into partway through the renovation, of course, which we talked about before, was the change in direction of the floor joists. That was absolutely, definitely a surprise. Instead of just running the whole thing from front to back, all of a sudden, a third of the way through the house, they changed it from front to back to side to basically middle of the house. So instead of it running straight through the house, it ran part way, and then the structural wall came this way. Well, there was a lot of other little aspects of the job that kind of, as we went through and started doing demo, I remember going back now, and the header that was missing above that sliding door, that funny drain, roof drain that we found inside the toilet drain, the window that was boarded up at the back of the tub. So it's just little things like that where homeowners or renovators get into it. People that don't know how to do things, you have no idea what they're doing or why they're doing it. We can see how not to do it in the past videos, and again, the weird things that people do and why they've done it. But there's reasons for codes. Codes are minimal. Basic standard buildings is what we're kind of after and what we're aiming for. However, when we start going through the different steps, we're going to explain to you, why we're framing it a certain way, why doors get headers, why some get solid headers, why some can be framed, stick framed, and that's because it's not a structural aspect of the home. So on the outside walls, we're going to show you how to properly frame a header, so and how not to cut out a header. As we go through the plumbing, we're going to take you through the different steps. So the first phase is the framing. The next phase is electrical and plumbing rough-in. We're going to show you how to lay some in-floor heat. We're going to do a radiant heat downstairs. So we're going to walk you through kind of step by step as the project goes, in the order of the construction process. So you've seen the demolition, now we're going to get into the framing. We also still have to do some structural downstairs as far as posts, beams, footings. So you're going to walk all the way through that, and you'll see it from basically start to finish.